Hello everyone, welcome to Design School A. Today, we start with our first series of Design School A, in which we will cover all the basics you need to know. So let's start with video 1, that is Introduction to UI and UX. Most of you have heard, read, or read articles, top news regarding UI and UX. Some of you might be new to this term and might wonder that what exactly does UI and UX means. If that is the case, then you are on the right link. In this video, we have an introduction to the basics of UI and UX. We will also take a look on the benefits or the impact of UI and UX in today's market. Okay, to start with the video, let's know the origin of the terms. Do you know who invented UI and UX first? It was Don Norman, a designer who worked at Apple Computer in 1993. He was the first person who had a job title as an UX designer. But the UX field is older than the term. UX has its roots in the ancient science of ergonomics. After that era, UI and UX emerged a lot, and people got to know the importance of UI and UX in design. Today, UI and UX are known as two separate terms and roles and has its own significance in design. Both UI and UX contribute equally in making any design good and successful. Now, let's study the terms in detail. Do you know what UI means? So, UI design stands for user interface design. The user interface is the graphical layout of an application. It consists of the buttons user clicks on, the text they read, the images, sliders, text entry fields, and all the rest of the items the user interacts with. So basically, UI design or the user interface design consists of all the aesthetical elements or the graphical elements that the user can see on their screen or interface. The UI or the user interface designer is completely responsible for the visual representation of an app, website, or any other interface. Moving forward is the UX design. So, UX stands for user experience. A user's experience of the app is determined by how they interact with it. Is the experience smooth or not? The UX designer is responsible to check whether the user can navigate the entire app or website efficiently without any struggle. The more user friendly the app is, it is considered to have a good UX. So, all in all, UI is the aesthetical element the user interacts with, and UX is the experience of the user with the product. Now, why is it helpful to learn UI and UX, and what are the benefits of UI UX in terms of business goals? So, they are as follows: it helps improve customer count, it helps with customer retention, it helps optimize development in time and cost, increases productivity, it helps in more user engagement. So, I would like to conclude by saying that UI and UX is one of the fastest growing industry in today's time. It has a long way to go. That's all that we had in our first tutorial of Design School A. For more such videos, follow and subscribe us. Stay tuned for the next video of the series. Thank you for watching.